Today I will show you how to make X account public. Before we start, if you appreciate me making a video just like this, just go ahead and give me a like. Also, if you want to see more helpful videos just like this, just go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Okay, let's get started. To make X account public, go to X app on your iPhone or Android device because the method is the same for both of them. So click on your X app, tap at your profile picture at the top left corner, and next to my name, TI Social, you will see walk icon. This means that my account is not public, but to switch it to public, click at the setting and support at the bottom of your screen. And here will pop up three settings, and that you want to do is click on settings and privacy. Here you have to find privacy and safety. Click on it and tap at the first option, audience and tagging. If your account is private, these two options, protect your posts and protect your videos, will be green. If this is green, you want to switch this and turn it off essentially, and also you can turn off the second as well. And with the both of them turned off, you will now be public. And that's all. If this video helped you out, give me a like and subscribe if you're new, and I want to see you in next